So as we all know, LG Velvet is right around the corner, and the company, while preparing for the launch, is also into this marketing strategy of throwing tidbits of information before 7th May to prevent leaks and also the negative talks about the handset. At this point of time, we pretty much know everything about the phone, and most of the information that we talked about in the past has been confirmed by the company itself. So that's absolutely happening. We have also seen the renders and this video that LG published which showcase LG Velvet, and to be honest, today is no different. We have these live shots of the device out of nowhere, and as you can see, it's all about raindrop style camera, glass back, curved display with the usual teardrop notch, and more importantly, a teardown that reveals a 4300 mAh battery unit and the coil that will allow this phone to charge wirelessly. Anyway, LG is also going to sell dual screen accessories for LG Velvet, so you can use it like some foldable phone that will surely not compromise with performance but isn't actually going to behave like a regular foldable device. Additionally, there will be support for LG Stylus Pen, and of course it will be sold separately, so I think they are going to sit somewhere between Galaxy Fold and Note devices through these packages. The company has even confirmed specs while publishing these renders that reveals all 4 colors, and particularly this sunrise sunset paint job, which honestly follows this trend of polished finishes. Now, speaking of the confirmed information, the company says that LG Velvet will have a triple camera setup with configuration like this. It's also gonna have ASMR recording feature that will execute 2 high performance microphones for vivid sound, and they have included stereo speakers this time, which comes with AI sound technology to enhance the overall experience by adapting sound of optimal quality depending upon content you are watching. It could be games, movies, or simply the music you are listening to. The system will tune sound output according to the need. Now this stuff reminds me of a screen which is a 6.8-inch OLED panel with 20:5:9 aspect ratio, and of course there will be an under-display fingerprint scanner, so simply they are not cutting it off to reduce pricing. Last but not the least, LG has somehow managed to put all these components, which don't forget includes 4300 mAh battery unit in a 74.1mm wide and just 6.8mm thin body. For comparison, Samsung Galaxy S20 has a 4000 mAh unit in a 7.9mm thick body, and that creates a clear difference of impressive 1.1mm. LG says that the software has gone through changes and tunings too to improve efficiency and guarantee an even higher battery life. Let's see what else they have to say on 7th May, and for daily updates like this, make sure to subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.